Hey y'all, so today I'm going to make these Chicago butter cookies, not peanut butter, just the butter cookies that I used to eat also. So in this bowl I got 3/4 cups of sugar. I've also modified that recipe that I searched for and found. So I got 3/4 cups of sugar in here, and I got 2 sticks of butter that's been sitting out and getting soft. And y'all know the butter I use. Here it goes, unsalted butter. So I'm going to mix this for 5 minutes to mix this up, and then I'm going to add the flour and salt and vanilla. And that's all it is. So I'm going to mix that up, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Well, as you can see today, I didn't feel like mixing it with my hand. So I got 2 sticks of butter in here, 3/4 cups of sugar. I'm getting ready to add a teaspoon of vanilla, and then I'm going to add my flour and salt. And it's just 2 cups of flour with about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. That's it. That's it. That's it. Now, as you can see, this dough is kind of soft, and it's not gooey, but it's soft. You got to chill this dough, so I'm going to chill this for about 30 minutes. This is how Chicago school cookies look, like that. And this is how they get that effect. They use 3 fingers, and they just smash like that. Now y'all, in baking these cookies so much, what I discovered, the easiest way to do this 3-finger imprint thing is to roll these cookies through your palm like you do peanut butter cookies, and then just press it down. Don't try to cut them and shape them. Just press it down like that. That works better. I got some crazy looking fingers, don't I? Look, I wanted to show y'all a trick. The same trick I showed y'all about meat. You leave these cookies on this cookie sheet, because if they don't come up like that, they're not ready. They're not ready to come up. They're going to break apart if you try to pull them up. Let them sit here for a minute and sit, and then put them on your rack to cool completely. 2 ways to prevent the spreading of the cookie from happening. You can chill the dough like I said earlier, or you can cook the cookie at a lower temp. So let's say these cookies are supposed to be cooked at 350, which is true. Cook them at 350 or 375 from 10 to 12 minutes. If you turn that temperature down on your oven to 300 and cook these cookies for 18 to 20 minutes, you will still maintain the shape because the oven is at a lower temperature, so the spread of that fat happens slower. So it's 2 ways to do it. Chill the dough or cook at a lower temperature. I wanted to taste of Chicago, so that's why I wanted to cook these cookies, y'all. These cookies so good. If you're from Chicago, let me know. Comment on the post. Let me know. And tell me if you remember Chicago Public School butter cookies and peanut butter cookies. These cookies are the truth. I told y'all this one of my recipes. It's so good. Go look up Chicago Tribune, Chicago Public Schools butter cookies. They give you a recipe for these cookies, and they give you a recipe for peanut butter cookies. But in their recipe for these cookies, they want you to chill the dough for 4 hours. I'm not doing all that. So I modified it a little bit. But the ingredients are the same. The peanut butter cookie, I already have a peanut butter cookie on my own that is, I think is unmatched. So y'all can do that one too, but this cookie is the truth. This cookie takes me back to 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th grade. Yeah.